This video is for Shopify migration workflow from any custom website, and this is the like a marketing analytics and tracking, and the current all setup after migration, that all will be work. That's why this is the task. And here is we can migrate from Shopware, Magento, or any custom website without losing this data. This is the very important Google Ads performance, conversion tracking, GA4 data, if they run Google Shopping ads or Merchant Center data, if they run any other marketing pixel like a Facebook, TikTok, other any pixel, Microsoft Clarity. So this is the make sure that without losing we need to migrate on our Shopify website. So SEO data must be also like a Google Search Console as well. Also the customer journey tracking on the GA4 or other any tracking platform if they are using, so I need to know which any custom plugin or like any other or which feature they are using currently on their old website, like Google Ads, how they set up Google Ads, Meta Ads, and other feed. Like normally we are using multi feed for the different social platform, like from the different currency, different country feed. That's why you can use multi feed. This probably paid, and also Google Shopping for that, or any other like a analytics tool. If they are using, I need to know that also what is their current setup and what client actually want. Our goal is without losing any data we need to migrate this all. So this is the project roadmap is migration. First we need to audit this our existing site, and then preparing a plan how we migration this, and how it will progress. Planning we will make on here, and then after testing all, then after we will live, and 7 days must be monitoring. And here is the five structure on here. That's why we will make logics and compare validation, and always we will make validation and immediate support for that. Why this is not working, we need to fix that. Okay, now this is the planning is we need to access in our Shopify GA4 Google Tag Manager if they have already, because of they have already, and that's why we need on our office mail, Search Console, Meta Business Manager, domain DNS for a server side tracking. If they are already set up server side tracking, there are so many server, a Google Cloud or a Step server or their own custom server in Next.js or Node.js. So we need to figure out on there. And also the marketing planning is the how many GA4 event they are already set up or they are already using. So we will check all of the event, and then we will make the next from the Shopify. Also we need to send the same all evented without losing any data or without losing any event. Also we need to make sure on that. As like a conversion, we need to make up also the GTM container, like for the e-commerce tracking, merchant feed, metapixel, TikTok is all the same, but we need to check all of those things what they are currently using. Now make sure backup the Google Ads, the tracking part, and also existing data or the audience part if they have the on their website, the Merchant Center, how they use the Merchant Center feed, and what was the GTM version and GA4 pixel ID, or if they are using any other pixels ID. So we need to figure out on here also how they are using the audiences, if they are using any custom audiences with custom label in the feed. So we need to figure out on there. And here is a tracking documentation, make up this we need to back up this also, this documentation, how they are working and how we will proceed these tasks. And here is the Shopify setup. We will set up the Google Tag Manager GA4 for must be on the e-commerce tracking, and the Google Ads for the enhanced conversion tracking. First this process is gone when they want and how they already set up in their existing site. This is the basic things we must need to set up this for any shopping or e-commerce website, like if they are using Merchant Center, so product feed, shipping, tags, diagnostics, we must need to figure out on there how to solve this. And also TikTok and Meta Pixel or Snapchat Pixel and cookie consent banner version 2 GDPR compliance must be, otherwise the GDPR law is in their European country as well. And this is the testing before going to live, and how is their page view is working. You can do your site and I can do my site, how they're existing all event, and make sure I will set up from our Shopify site before going to live, our Shopify site sending the same event to our GA4, as well as Google Ads and the Merchant Center feed diagonal validation also must be because of they are, if they are already running shopping ads, so that the same product we need to run on their campaign. This is the very critical task also, because of without domain verification we will not going to approve our any product on merchant center, but we will must be we will add product on our merchant center. And this is the one challenging part in the this migration process. Okay, here is the merchant center, like a cookie brand working or not, constant update, tag blocking, firing, before firing, after firing. This make sure we will on that. And every event we will test it, like a page view item, add to cart. These all are recommended for any e-commerce site of the Google Ad, GA4, merchant center, Facebook pixel, and consent mode. These are the all key event, and we will focus on there. Every key event is working or not. And here is for going to after launching this, for all checking part on here, all event are working or merchant center is working. After all working, when we go live, then we must check on here GF receiving data or not, Google Ads conversion getting data or not. This should be update in every 2 hours. When we follow up these all things, and then we will get the better result, and without losing data, we will fix on there. This is the task, and the all conversion tracking and the consent mode. And this is the first 7 days we make sure this all monitoring the same things what the client want, and if any issue will be fixed immediately. This is the main things on here. For the optimizing product feed on the Google, and also the Facebook library, at library, and Facebook catalog as well. This is the all things on here. And this is the final checklist before migration. We need the access, make sure we will do the audit and also the audit plan also, and we can share this all asana or ClickUp, something like that. And the conversion mapping documentation, make sure on here what they already set up, we will show up them. This is the we will do. And before going to live, all checkup we will do, and after going to live, all checkup we will do. And the quality assurance, we make sure this all event and event data as well. This is the all, and that's all for going to live on here. And the consent mode, merchant center, all feed are approved or not, and without diagnostics we will check on there, then we will go. So this is the things, and we will fix the risk management, like for the merchant center issues, feed issues, reprocess issues, and consent mode issues, then update tag rules, as well as the debug the GTM, GA for verify all custom conversion action, and the merchant center as well. And this is the tracking error for immediate investigation and immediate resolution. This is the very important. So that's all. Thank you so much. I hope this video is clearly I show up how I will work in your merchant center, or how I will work in your Shopify to any other custom website to Shopify migration. And these I will help on this part, on the tracking part, merchant center part, and the Google Ads part, Facebook Ads part. So thank you so much for seeing this video.